I wanted to do a review of the weekly watch list, a midweek review here. The watch list that I put out every Sunday night on daytraderbootcamp.com. We're going to start off with Citigroup. It was an incredible winner. We were looking at this when it was down at $3 and I guess 50 cents. We bought a bunch of calls for a nickel, and the very next day we were able to get out of those plus 300%. Left a lot on the table, with a gap up the following day. But hey, 300% is 300%, right? CCOI had a trigger of 11.55 to get into this trade, looking for $12. And the trade's still okay. It's still hanging in there. It's just hasn't picked up the volume really, and the pattern still looks pretty good. Still like it. Still in it. So we'll see how that one goes. It hasn't stopped out yet. Using a 35-cent stop on that. DO, Diamond Offshore Shipping. I really like this basin pattern in here, and I feel it got hammered down a little unfairly. Off of 104, sitting down here still trading in the 80s. Trigger was 88.92. I'm in the trade there, and I was looking for 91 and a quarter. Might tone that down a little bit and try to get 91 out of it as the 50-day moving average has starting to come down to it. So we're going to trim that target by a quarter. And next on the list, another nice little winner here is Fuji, FUQI. We were looking to get into this thing at $19. First target was 20.06. It had a very little gap there. And as you can see, it's went ahead and filled that gap and pushed up through it. It actually hit 20.81 today. Still see 21 in this trade. Personally, I'm not in it, so I didn't take the trade. Good embedded stochastics here. MACD still good. RSI supporting the breakout, and of course 44% short on a 15 million float. This thing can fly. Another big winner for us was the INCY, the INCY. The trigger to get into this trade was 11.61. I took this one personally. Was looking for 13. Got close today at 12.80. Towards the end of the day, I didn't quite like the candle. So I did get out of the trade. I believe I got close to $1 on this INCY swing trade, a couple day hold. Another big winner is Las Vegas Sands, LVS. Looking to trigger into this trade at 18 bucks. I'm personally in it at 18.05. The volume came in behind the breakout to support it, and it's just had a nice push. First target was 19, so we've achieved the first target, and the second target's 20. We're about 16 cents off of that. Basically, I'll put a stop at 19 on this for my own trade in case we see some weakness in the market tomorrow. Still got my trigger, didn't get the second one. That's fine. The OIH, one of my favorite stocks to trade. I was looking to buy this on pullbacks to 125. I have not personally swung traded off that number, but the past couple of days have been playing really nice intraday trades off of that area. It's catching a lot of support there. Previous gap fill area going back into January. Another beautiful one off the watch list this week is PLD, Prologis Trust. We're looking to get long at this stock at 13.05. First target was 13.50. We've hit it. And I was also thinking it could push up to 14. It's gotten about 13 cents from there. If you're still in this, I would suggest move your stops up to 13.5. Lock in that first target. Great volume. RSI supporting the breakout. Next on the list is Toll Brothers, TOL. Another nice breakout here in the homies. And everything about this chart says to stay in it pretty much. I'm long at 19.58. I'm looking for 21.50 here. We'll probably, if it doesn't hit that by the end of Friday, it's still 2 trading days, I'll probably take the trade off. But really like it. Volume came in behind the push yesterday. It's a little off today. Stochastics look great. MACD looks good. RSI looks good. Last but not least, Texas Instruments. Didn't really trigger. Hasn't really done much here. So we got about one dud this week. And that's about it. I want to welcome everybody to come check out daytraderbootcamp.com, where we offer a trial if you're not already a member. And come check us out. We call the market live all day, intraday, all day long. Daytraderbootcamp.com. Come check out the site for a free ride. Thanks.